Hey guys, we're back with this fantastic list of 11 futuristic gadgets that will leave you amazed. So let's check it out. If you enjoy playing games on your Xbox, check out this mini fridge. This Xbox Series X replica mini fridge is made by UIANG. This sleek matte black tower holds up to 12 cans of your favorite beverage, and with 2 door shelves, you'll be sure to have your favorite snacks at the ready. With LEDs and surface features made to resemble the Xbox Series X, your friends will be amazed. It includes AC and DC power cables and a USB port for charging devices. Plugs into either standard AC wall outlet or DC 12 volts automobile jack. The cyber design is recognized as a representation of futuristic technology due to its unique geometric shape and strong metallic texture. The Benlydesign team drew inspiration from this concept to create a wristwatch that embodies the values of cyber. The watch features a function that illuminates the screen when the wearer raises their hand. The OLED screen is high brightness and clear, making it easy to read. A Japanese battery is used, providing a battery life of approximately 30 months. The team has also implemented an environmentally friendly feature in the watch's design. They have disassembled chips from computers and used them to connect 3 LED lights. These lights flash when the screen is awakened and during hourly time announcements. Discover the Divoom Times Gate, a unique fusion of retro and futuristic design. This gadget is a digital clock with a modern and minimalistic design and many features. The clock boasts a pixel LED display that is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly user-friendly, even from a distance. It also offers a variety of color options and adjustable brightness settings. What truly makes the Times Gate stand out are its goal-oriented and motivational features. You can set multiple goals, track your progress, and most importantly, celebrate your milestones. Additionally, the clock is equipped with smart features like voice control and alarm syncing via Bluetooth. Are you a fan of steampunk art? If yes, then you will love this unique USB flash drive designed in a steampunk style. It is patterned after the Cryptex, which is a portable vault used to hide secret messages as described in Dan Brown's 2003 novel, The Da Vinci Code. This gadget comes with a password-protected feature similar to Cryptex, which only allows the authorized person to access the USB stick. There are various styles of USB drives available, including handmade ones. If you liked this one, feel free to explore more options. And here's one more retro futuristic gadget that you may like. The MMR-99 is a portable radio that is always ready to keep its user company, no matter the situation. It features 3-way power sources, including a solar panel and a dynamo hand crank generator. With a memory bank that can store up to 40 station presets for AM and FM, Bluetooth streaming, auto-tuning system, a 5-mode LED flashlight that includes SOS settings and numerous other features, it is the ideal choice for outdoor adventurers and emergency users. If you're not a fan of retro but love futuristic technology, I recommend checking out the Haloasis wireless speaker. This innovative device offers a new level of audio-visual experiences, complete with a groundbreaking holographic display and immersive sound. With the Haloasis A1, you can experience music like never before as it visualizes audio and lyrics in real time, seamlessly synced with Bluetooth playback. The persistence of vision display technology allows for a curved, transparent space that presents information like holograms. This futuristic speaker delivers visuals that can be viewed from any angle, including the front, top, and rear of the display, thanks to its 360-degree viewing angle. The mini LED technology in the Haloasis A1 allows for a high display accuracy of up to 70 ppi, providing vivid and bright visual displays. If you spend long hours working on a computer, you might experience discomfort in your neck and shoulders due to a misalignment of your line of sight and the screen. The FlexStand Pro monitor stand is ergonomically designed to help alleviate this problem. It allows you to adjust your monitor to eye level, which creates a better viewing angle and improves your overall posture. This all-in-one stand is perfect for revolutionizing your workspace. It includes an integrated docking station, electric height adjustment, and an ambient lighting bar, all while maintaining a working noise level below 50 decibels. The stand offers an adjustable height range of 125 to 170 millimeters and comes with an integrated docking station featuring 4 expansion ports, making it easy to connect your laptop or tablet to additional peripherals and accessories. Nexus Chrono is a watch that is carefully crafted with precision and innovation. It goes beyond just telling time and becomes a symphony of gears and mechanics that is perfectly synchronized with your inner aspirations. The watch features transparent materials that are layered with multiple coats of lacquer to create a captivating high-gloss shine. The wood used in the watch is meticulously cut, polished, and baked to carbonization, revealing its unique depth and personality. Hidden beneath its smooth surface, the Nexus Chrono features a full-color RGB LED strip. This strip can be controlled using a smart app, allowing you to choose from 16 million different colors for illumination. Additionally, the clock has 168 unique lighting modes, and the RGB ambient light can sync with your favorite music. This feature makes the clock a conductor of light, creating a colorful environment that matches the rhythm of your life. The XbotGo Chameleon is a phone mount that uses AI technology to capture footage of sports games and training sessions. It's designed to be an AI-powered cameraman that follows the subject while they play. This means you no longer need to ask friends or family members to film your games and practice sessions. The device uses Follow Me 2.0, a re-identification technology that allows it to track a player's appearance, jersey number, body type, and more. It also has a team sports capture feature that automatically captures games such as soccer, hockey, basketball, rugby, lacrosse, and volleyball. The XbotVision 2.0 algorithm is another impressive feature that predicts the ball's trajectory and the player's movements. This ensures that the camera is always in the right place at the right time, capturing the action perfectly. It's best to check the long list of features on its Kickstarter campaign if you find it interesting. KYH is introducing a new product that promises to offer customers new and exciting sensory experiences. The Humidifier Sensor Bluetooth Stereo is a unique device that allows users to enjoy music playback and wireless charging simultaneously, without the need for Bluetooth connection. This innovative device combines a humidifier and a music player. It can switch between Bluetooth mode for music playback and direct playback without the need for Bluetooth connection. In addition, it can adjust the air humidity, set RGB ambient lighting, and even act as a cell phone holder. It also features a temperature and humidity display so that users can monitor their environment. Did you know that you can turn your beloved bike into an electric bike without breaking the bank? Yes, it's possible with this electric bike conversion kit that is compatible with almost any type of bike, including those with front disc brakes. The kit is available for almost any wheel size, and you can choose between the 15 or 30 kilometers range versions. It features a 250-watt geared hub motor and a 36-volt lithium-ion battery. Well, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.